Nobody is going to believe these aren't real cheesecakes because they taste so amazingly rich and creamy. Today we're making these super easy mini yogurt tarts that come together without a mixer or any cream cheese. They are so delicious, super creamy, and topped with a fun layer of nonpareil sprinkles. To start, we're going to crush some cookies to get about 1.5 cups or 150 grams of fine crumbs. You can use any cookie you like or even graham crackers. Just crush them down until you get fine crumbs. In a bowl, let's melt 1/3 of a cup or 75 grams of unsalted butter in the microwave for about 40 to 50 seconds. Now, toss in those cookie crumbs and mix everything with a spatula until it looks like wet sand and holds together when you press it. Line a muffin pan with 12 paper liners. Divide the crumb mixture evenly into the bottom of each cup. Using a small glass or anything with a flat bottom, press the crumbs down firmly to form a solid base. In a large bowl, combine 2/3 of a cup or 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk with 2 tablespoons or 15 grams of cornstarch. Whisk this together really well. Since the condensed milk is thick, the cornstarch dissolves super smoothly. Next, add 2 large room temperature eggs and gently whisk them in. We don't want to overmix or beat too much air into the batter, which keeps bubbles from forming while baking. Now, let's stir in 3/4 of a cup or 180 grams of plain yogurt or Greek yogurt, along with 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract. Gently whisk until everything comes together into a smooth batter. I like to pour this into a container with a spout so it's super easy to fill the liners. Divide the mixture evenly among all 12 cups. Pop the pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, right until the tops just start to crack. They'll puff up a little bit in the oven from the eggs, but they will settle back down as they cool, which is completely normal. Let them cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer them to the fridge for about an hour until they are cold and ready for the topping. Place 1/2 cup or 80 grams of white chocolate in a bowl and melt it in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. Pour in 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of room temperature milk and stir to create a nice, soft ganache. If it feels a bit too firm, just mix in a tiny splash more milk. I'm using colorful nonpareil sprinkles today, but feel free to use whatever sprinkles you like. Spread a thin layer of the white chocolate ganache right over the top of a mini tart. Then, turn it upside down and dip the top straight into the sprinkles so they stick to the ganache, giving us this beautiful, colorful topping. Look how simple that is to make and how adorable they turn out. You can enjoy them right away or store them in the fridge for up to 3 days. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy dessert ideas. I'll see you in the next one.